Hey guys, it's Drew here. Today I'm with the 97 Tahoe, and we had some rain, and somehow my window got left cracked open. Now, I don't know whether I left it cracked open or whether my window switch malfunctioned and accidentally put it down, which is very possible. There's a short. So anyway, today I'm going to show you how to access and switch out a window switch in a 1997 Chevy Tahoe, and it's also good for Suburbans and K1500s and GMC trucks, all sorts of those. So anyway, it's not hard at all. This switch I actually bought on eBay. It was 20 bucks, and it's lasted me about 6 years, maybe 6 years. Because the other one switch had a problem. Now, I think it just got wet with the window being down, so it's been malfunctioning a little bit. But what I want to show you is how easy it is to pop this out. You can see it's already out. Guys, all you do is very lightly take a flathead screwdriver and just get under there and just sort of with your thumb and this very carefully just pry it up. And this speaker bar will come up with it too. This is just a speaker cover, and then it'll pull out. So I'm going to show you. Here's your little snaps. See these right here? They connect here into there. That's what you're prying up. So you want to get next to that and just pull it up very lightly, and these things go right in there, okay? Now your speaker is sort of hooked on underneath here with that. It's just sort of wrapped around it. You pinch that to pull that out. Yeah, I'm not going to pull that out, but that comes out with it, okay? So this unit in here is very simple to pull out as well. These little white things here are actually tabs, and when you pull those tabs out, it loosens up the box that's in there. Okay, so this whole black box thing here is just held on. You just put a flathead screwdriver underneath here very carefully, and this black part will snap out, and that's going to be the whole unit. It comes as one whole control module for your door lock and your window unit. Okay, so like I said, I got it on eBay for like 20 bucks, and that's lasted me about 5-6 years. Hopefully when this dries out, it'll work again. But just want to let you guys know it's that easy to do. The unit does not come with the window. This is for your mirrors. It does not come with this particular piece, but this pops out as well. So very simple to fix with your electric door locks. And I know my electric door locks break pretty often, but they're working now. Anyway, that's originally why I replaced it. It wasn't the windows. So, but anyway, this is good on almost all Suburbans, and like I said, 97. It may even work very similar on the newer model trucks of GMC and Chevrolet. They make it very simple to do. I can't say it was the same on my PT Cruiser. Let me tell you, replacing those window switches, which were in the middle of the dashboard, was not as easy. I had to pull out the whole center console of the dashboard. So this is really pleasant that GM did it this way. I'm not sure in the newer models if they have it as easy access to this, but I love this. Okay guys, well I just decided to show that. Like I said, the part is going to come as one piece for the door lock and window switches, and on eBay it'll run you about 20 to 30 bucks. At least it did a couple years ago. If you buy it in the store, if I remember right, I think it was $109. It's incredible how cheap it was. There's nothing wrong with buying China parts if you don't mind risking that they may not work eventually. They are usually a little cheaper, but I always try eBay China parts. I had some issues with some Mercedes stuff. All right, guys. Well, this is Drew. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. You know, with the window switches and power door lock replacement. I'm not taking it out, like I said, but look, it's just basically a clip here and a clip here, and you got to pull these tabs out. You know, you can pretty much figure it out. If you don't get it from my video, there's several other videos on YouTube on how to do it. So just giving you a basic idea here. Hey guys, this is Drew. Thank you very much. And like I said, this is the 1987 Chevy Tahoe. It's my two-door Sport. I love this sucker. And you know, I just got to keep fixing it up. It's almost 20 years old now. So, or it is 20 years old. It's 21. It's old enough to drink. But the two-door model is great because it's just small and sleek and lasts longer. Okay guys, give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great day. Thanks.